Hi. Rather than type a long email on the new features that we have on additive manufacturing, I thought I would do a little video mail here to show the feature set. I thought it'd be easier just to watch it and see it live on that. So let's take a look. New things out there is on the front page, on the home page, landing page. We now have counters that are showing the number of additive manufacturers that we've captured in the database, which is 26 as of this morning. We think there are about 250 to 300 of these guys nationally. Probably the top 150 are the really important ones out there. So we have a pretty good jump on this already, and we've captured these in a way that we have everybody that is advertising on Google AdWords in the database already. So if you do a search on additive manufacturing. Now below that are the number of processes across these additive manufacturers that they have claimed or we have harvested from their websites. So we have 87 capabilities in additive manufacturing in our database right now. In addition, we've added a little bit of material on the landing page down here to introduce our new taxonomy, which is the additive manufacturing taxonomy out there, and to talk about our intent to build a scope that's national on additive manufacturing as we bring out the standard manufacturing processes on our region by region basis. But we should be up in a national within a week or two from this. So having looked at the front page, let's log in as Kate Smith at MilSpec, one of the example accounts we use all the time. So we'll come in as her, and we don't need to record this. Okay, so we're in as Kate, and right now MilSpec wants to do some work. They have, in this case, they want to design a manifold for a engine. They're actually going to run the engine on the dyno, and they want to see how the manifold performs, if it increases the horsepower on that. So they're going to look at a couple things. So first, let's go and focus down on our taxonomy for additive manufacturing. We just closed the shaping and non-shaping, so we have a shorter list. Let's start by saying, we'll go out with the standard process, which was the material extrusion. This is the thing that got all this started, and this is everything from MakerBots at home to high-end commercial equipment out there. But we're going to find a lot of guys as we do the search that do this. Okay, search results are back. We're finding exactly what we thought. There's a lot of them. Here's our top 10 randomly selected out there. Each one of them has a link to their website, has a phone number, so you can go and start making calls. But let's do something more interesting. So they've decided that they want a little higher quality visual product to look at first, because they have 2 or 3 designs, and they want to look at them and kind of feel them, look at the tolerances on the inside, and they want to get those done very quickly with kind of a polymer, but at a high resolution. And then they want to go and actually build a working prototype, so they need a metal piece that they can put on the dynamo. They can get to a manifold that can take a heat up to about 150 degrees, and it's going to be closer to their final product. So now they want to get one job shop that can do that, and they're going to move over to material jetting because it's a higher resolution for their visual, and they're going to come up and they're going to do the powder bed fusion, which is the highest level of quality out there they can do, and they'll do that with the metal part out there and build their stuff. So let's go do that search. Okay, the results are back now. So we have our 2 processes that we wanted for one job shop. We find that both of these are rare compared to standard milling processes out there, but that we do have a number of fits across the United States. So we have, what do we got? 8 of these guys right now that can do both of these processes for us. So we've got phone numbers and websites. Probably ought to go do a little review on the websites and then call a couple of these guys, and we'd have our environment done. So here the processes individually as this. If we wanted to go back and see where they fit within a taxonomy, we have both of those out there. So there's an introduction to the new capabilities.